Welcome to the future. If you thought the leap to the iPhone 15 or 16 was significant, you are completely unprepared for what is coming in 2026. We are not just talking about a spec bump. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how human beings interact with technology. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is not just a smartphone. It is the culmination of a decade of secret research deep within Apple Park. And the leaks we're discussing today paint a picture of a device that will render every other piece of tech in your pocket obsolete. We have uncovered details regarding the design architecture, the terrifyingly powerful A20 chip, the camera system that defies physics, and a battery technology that could change the energy sector forever. Sit back, because for the next 30 minutes, we are going to dissect the most controversial, expensive, and revolutionary device Apple has ever created. The year 2026 marks the end of the smartphone era and the beginning of the intelligence era, and it all starts with the chassis that you'll be holding in your hand. Let's begin with the design because the iPhone 18 Pro Max will look nothing like the rectangle you're holding right now. Insider reports from the supply chain in Taiwan suggest that Apple is finally moving away from the distinct separation between glass and metal. The 2026 model is rumored to feature a unibody glass-ceramic fusion. Imagine a device that feels like a single, seamless piece of polished jewelry. The titanium rails are gone, replaced by a composite material used in aerospace engineering that allows for complete transparency to radio waves while being stronger than steel. But the biggest shock comes from the buttons, or rather, the lack of them. We have heard rumors about solid-state buttons for years, but the iPhone 18 Pro Max is going completely portless and buttonless. The entire frame is pressure-sensitive, utilizing an advanced haptic engine Gen 3 that simulates the click of a button so realistically that your brain cannot tell the difference. This allows for a completely waterproof seal, capable of surviving depths that would drown a current-generation diver's watch. And the screen? We are looking at the debut of the MicroLED edge-to-edge infinite display. The bezels are not just thin. They are mathematically non-existent. The dynamic island has finally retreated under the display, leaving you with a pure, uninterrupted canvas of 6.9 inches of glory. Now, let's talk about the engine driving this beast, because this is where Apple leaves the competition in the dust. The A20 Bionic chip. By 2026, we are moving to a 2-nanometer manufacturing process. To put that in perspective, the transistors are becoming so small, they are approaching the size of DNA strands. The A20 isn't just a CPU, it is a neural engine monster. With the explosion of AI, this chip is designed to run large language models locally, on-device, without ever sending your data to the cloud. This means your Siri is no longer a dumb voice assistant. It is a fully capable AI that knows your schedule, writes your emails, edits your videos, and manages your life in real time, with zero latency. Benchmarks leaked from early engineering samples suggest the A20 outperforms the M4 chips found in today's MacBook Pros. Yes, you heard that right. Your phone will be more powerful than most people's laptops. This enables console-quality gaming at 120 frames per second with ray tracing fully enabled, without the phone overheating, thanks to a new graphene-based vapor chamber cooling system that spreads heat across the entire back chassis instantly. But what about the camera? This is usually the main selling point, and in 2026, Apple is changing the laws of physics. The unsightly camera bump is expected to be reduced significantly due to the introduction of Metalens technology. Instead of stacking curved glass lenses, which requires depth, a Metalens uses microscopic nanostructures to focus light on a flat surface. This allows for a 300-megapixel main sensor that captures more light than the human eye. We are also expecting a variable aperture on the telephoto lens, allowing for creamy, DSLR-level bokeh in video, not just portrait mode photos. Speaking of zoom, the periscope lens is getting an upgrade to a 15x optical zoom with a digital crop that remains lossless up to 50x. But the real game changer is spatial capture 2.0. With the Apple Vision Pro maturing, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is designed to see a tour full volumetric video. You aren't just taking a video of a birthday party. You're capturing a 3D environment that you can step back into later. The low-light performance is rumored to be night vision class, turning pitch-black environments into clear, daylight-quality images using AI reconstruction before the shutter even closes. However, all this power is useless without power delivery. This is the part of the leak that has Wall Street worried about energy stocks. Apple is reportedly working with solid-state battery technology for the 2026 cycle. Solid-state batteries are safer, lighter, and hold a significantly higher charge density than lithium-ion. We're talking about a battery life that doesn't is measured in hours, but in days. A conservative estimate for the iPhone 18 Pro Max is a 3-day battery life under normal usage. And when you do need to charge, the removal of the port confirms the arrival of MagSafe Ultra. This new wireless charging standard pumps 100 watts of power wirelessly, charging the device from 0 to 50% in under 8 minutes. Imagine waking up, realizing you forgot to charge your phone, placing it on the pad while you brush your teeth, and grabbing it fully charged before you leave the house. This also introduces true reverse wireless charging that is powerful enough to charge your iPad or your friend's phone at a usable speed, not just a trickle. The ecosystem integration in 2026 will be terrifyingly seamless. With iOS 20, the operating system becomes liquid. If you look at your iPhone, your Mac, and your iPad, they don't just hand off tasks. They share a single brain. You can start a render on your phone, walk to your desk, and the Mac picks it up instantly without you pressing a button. Security is also getting a massive overhaul with Optic ID for the iPhone. Since the front camera is under the display, it scans the unique vein patterns in your retina, which is statistically 1,000 times more secure than Face ID. This level of security is necessary because your iPhone 18 Pro Max will essentially become your digital passport, your wallet, your car key, and your house key. Apple is pushing for a world where the physical wallet is entirely extinct.